Hello, I see you're curious about purchasing my self-care toolkit to help you overcome your stress, your overwhelm, and your anxiety. Well, we are all living in incredibly stressful times right now, and stress plays a vital role in reducing our immunity. Here are a couple of reasons I would like to encourage you to continue your purchase to understand why this self-care toolkit would be such a great investment for you. The first reason is that by breaking free of your anxiety, your stress, and your overwhelm, you are going to feel better, and this is going to have a great impact on your long-term health. Secondly, as you learn how to calm your emotions, overcome your stress and overwhelm with all of these methods and techniques that I show you, you're going to find yourself making clearer, better choices for yourself. You can do all of this in your own home, the comfort of your own home, using these methods over and over again for yourself and for your family. This is a great investment for now and for your long-term health. I'm excited to share these methods with you. Thank you.